Okay, so hello people, so let's solve today's LeetCode equation, that is 661 image smoother. And an image smoother is the filter of the size 3 into 3 that can be applied to each cell of an image by rounding down the average of the cell and the 8 surrounding cells. Okay, and that is the average of the 9 cells in the blue smoother, and if one or more surrounding of the cell is not present, we do not consider its average. Okay, like for the corner cells. So then, for example, in this we are given that what we can do, we can add 1 plus 1 for this particular index, that is 0 comma 0. What we'll do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, and then we'll divide it by 4 and take its floor value. So that will come out to be 0. Similarly, what we'll be doing it for all the indexes, and at the end what we'll be getting is this. Okay. So firstly, let me just zoom in. And so what we'll do, let's first have an int m is equal to image dot length, and n is equal to image 0 dot length. Okay, so let's start reversing in the loop. Okay, so first let's have an answer array. Answer matrix also is equal to new int m n, and then let's start reversing that for, okay, sorry, for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. And similarly for j, for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Okay, so what we'll do now, let's have a variable, total sum and the number of variables that we'll be counting. Okay, count equal to 0. The number of indexes that which we'll be seeing, we'll be storing them in the count. Okay, so then have a for loop for int x equal to I minus 1. Okay, so because we'll be starting from the previous, x minus 1 and x less than or equal to I plus 1, and then x plus plus. Similarly for y also we'll be traversing from the previous loop, that for y in y equal to j minus 1, y less than or equal to j plus 1, and then j plus plus. Okay, so don't consider for the going like the checking for the out of bound condition. We'll be setting the conditions accordingly. Okay, so firstly let's have that if x is greater than or equal to 0, and x is less than m, and y is greater than or equal to 0, and y is less than n. Okay, so let's increase the sum plus equal to image xy, and then let's increase the count by 1. Okay, uh, and at the end what we'll be doing, will be in the answer array, answer I j will be updated by sum by count, so it will give us its floor value, and at the end let's just return answer. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, it says cannot. Oh, okay, I guess I just cannot find. Okay, control X, sorry. Oh, my bad. Here it should be here. Yeah, and now let's run it. Okay, it's giving me TLE. I don't. Let me just figure it out. Oh, okay, I found the error. There was here. I was here updating J, but I have to update Y. Okay, so now let's run it again. Yeah, and it gets executed. So now let's submit it, and it works fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.